Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my channel Gardening Everywhere. Today I have a very good tip. If you want to grow your plants, if you want to see your plants healthy and you want to get the maximum production of fruits, so today I will share a one fertilizer with you. This fertilizer have a very amazing results, and you can say this fertilizer fertilizer. You will see the result within few days. You will see that your plant will get healthy, its roots will become very strong, and it will start producing maximum fruits. So its name is mustard khali. Mustard khali is a very important thing. If you just add a little bit water in the mustard khali, make it soft like a clay, and then add to your plants. Okay, give to your plants after 20-25 days, and then you have to add the water. So you will see the result within few days. It is available in every shop. It's a very cheap, it's not very expensive, but it have a very amazing results. Thank you so much.